In this session, I'm going to explain the types of text, their difference, and also provide example of each text type. Understanding these text types will help us know their purpose, structure, and how to use them properly in communication. One, narrative text. Narrative text is a text that tells a story, either real or fictional. Purpose is to entertain readers and deliver a moral lessons. Characteristics contains characters, setting, plot, conflict, and resolution. Mostly use past tense, might include dialogues. The structure is orientation, introduction character and setting. Complication is the conflict or problem. Resolution is how the problem is solved. Example, fairy tales Cinderella. Once upon a time, there lived a poor girl named Cinderella. She lived with her stepmother and stepsister. Two is recount text. Recount text is a text that retells past experience or events. The purpose is to inform or entertain by telling what happened. The characteristic is use past tense, even are written in chronological order, time connector first, then after that finally. The structure is orientation, introduction, who, where, when, even, chronological even. Reorientation is optional concluding or closing. Example, diary, holiday report, biography. And three is descriptive text. Descriptive, descriptive text is a text that describes a person, place, animal, or object in detail. Purpose is to give a clear picture to the readers. Characteristics of descriptive text is focused on one specific object. Use many adjectives like beautiful, tall, small. Use a simple present tense, and the structure is identification, description. Example, describing a pet, favorite artist, or school. Four is report text. Report text is text that present factual information about something in general. Purpose to describe the way things are. And characteristics of report text is objective, not personal opinion, use a simple present tense, and the structure is general classification, description detail, feature, behavior function. Example like scientific report about animals, plants, or natural phenomena. Five is explanation text. Explanation text is a text that explains process or why, how something happens. To explain, the purpose is to explain natural, social, or cultural phenomena. Characteristics of explanation text is use a simple present tense and focus on cause and effect. Structure of explanation text is general statement, explanation, and closing. Example like the process of rain, volcanic eruption, or photosynthesis. Six is exposition text. Exposition text is a text that contains argument to convey the readers the purpose, like to persuade the readers to agree with an opinion. Types exposition text have two types. One, analytical exposition. Two, present arguments supporting only one side. Two, hortatory exposition is present arguments and recommendation advice. Characteristic of exposition text is contains opinions, arguments, and conclusion. And the last is use logical connector like firstly, moreover, and therefore. Structure of exposition text is thesis, arguments, and conclusion. Example like opinion article, academic essay, and other things. Seven is discussion text. Definition of discussion text is a text that presents different sides of an issue, pro and contra. The purpose discussion text is to give balanced information about an issue. Characteristic of discussion text is contains both supporting and opposing argument, neutral, not taking only one side, and the structure is issue, argument for supporting side. argument against the opposing side, and conclusion. Conclusion. Example like debates about social media, online learning, or government policies. And the last is procedure text. Procedure text is a text that tells how to do something step by step. The purpose is to show instruction clearly, and the characteristic of this text is use action verbs like cut, mix, or part. To use connector for sequence like first, next, and finally. Three, usually in practice sentence. Structure in structure the procedure text is goal, materials, and step. Example like recite, manual instruction. Oh, and the last is news item text. News item text is a text that report actual event or news to the public. The the purpose is to inform reader about important or current events. Characteristic of this text is use formal and factual language, often includes search or witness statement. The structure is headline or title, newsworthy event, background event, and shorts. Example like newspaper, article, online news, or TV news.